1 from the equine family, which is the gymnast, and 7 from the antelope.
Wow!
So the one that has with white marking on their face, that is a plus. Plus is came from African word, so meaning blade in English. So both male and female na horn, to identify their gender, mas baba ang horn sa male kaysa female. So makasurvive po silang buwan sa init from morning until afternoon because ang heat sa sun for silang white marking sa ilang face. So ang tawag nilang sunblock.
Naghinok-nok lagi na siya, sir.
I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you.
Good morning, friends! Today is Sunday. Happy Valentine's Day. Karon nga vlog, isasama ko kayo papuntang safari. Dalhin ko kayo doon. Kita-kita tayo mamaya mga friends. Diyan nami sa safari. Pag-abot na mo, naglista pa mi sa mga name, then hand sanitize, and then ulan-ulan man friends. Medyo umuulan-ulan. I don't know if mag-enjoy ba kami dito ngayon. Yan sila. Enjoy! Thank you! Sakay mi sa shuttle bus para sa mo adtuan.
Mami is here. Mami is here.
now we have 8 species of animals here. One from the equine family, which is the zebras, and 7 from the antelope.
Wow!
So the one that has with white marking on their face, that is a plus. Plus is came from African word, so meaning blade in English. So both male and female na horn, to identify their gender, mas baga ang horn sa male kaysa female. So makasurvive po silang buwan sa init from morning until afternoon because ang heat sa sun reflects silang white marking sa ilang face. So nagtawag nilang sunblock.
Naghinok-tok lagi na siya, sir. Naghinok-tok lagi.
Ano din na sila mga sunpayman.
Ate, baka makasa ka dyan ha.
Turan ka? Hai pun.
Water buff, kanang may white wings here next. Water buff loves to stay near body of water because water is their defense mechanism. So once nasa sila sa tubig, makakawasa sila coil sa ilang body, so tawag sila waterproof antelope. Once makagrow over ang water buff, nakabaho po sa kanyang lawas. So only male have horns and the rest are the female.
Thank you, pero Itik. Itik. Bibi.
Inga na, gina siya, sir. Dili mo niho.
Itugnaw lagi. Itugnaw.
And cow shape, so eland, common eland. So common eland is the largest antelope in the world. So both male and female have horns. They can jump up to 12 feet.
Hai.
Their milk is nutritious than the cows now 3 times nutritious. Yes, ma'am. So largest antelope sila, so slowest antelope sila
Itong
because
now,
they can run up to 25 meters per hour. So once nasa sa grassland and woodlands, kung kumuflash na sila, basta na ay gray. Only lang gray.
Look at them, Dad.
So the one that has natural stripes of their body, that is the greater kudu.
Tanawan ang lumay
Greater kudu. Their horn can reach up to 6 feet. So mo-twist na nilang horn every 2 years. So para silang horn ni Maripisan. Just like eland, makumuflash lang dihapon sila sa grassland and woodlands. Once na i-pray, momotionless ang mga kudu.
Tanawa, kit kayo. Agaw na.
Ah, jarang baha. Jarang baha. Hai pun. Lupa ka. Kapalay, kani nga tekan na ga takag. Naupo mo na. Wag zebra to. Kawasan Falls.
May zodiac sign.
Ay, okay. Mag-picture ko. Hali ba? Hali?
Slowly sa back baby, nasuot sa mama. So, ang ginagawa sa family is zebra. So, zebra have black feet with white stripes. So, black feet and a short feet and white stripes and a short toes. So, feet and zebra have their own unique patterns, just like our fingerprints. So, nasa tayo sa zebra, so that is blue outer feet. So, we have two kinds of outer feet, blue and black. So, ang nanamo kay blue. Blue outer feet, full run of savannah, not because they are super, but because when they mate, they dance. So, they dance to attract females. Yung ilang tawad, ilang irasa yung ma-attract na ang females.
Ari Kawasan
So,
Falls.
they are the
Ari
migratory
Kawasan
mammals in the
Falls.
world. Every year, migrate
Oh, Kawasan Falls.
1.5 million wild babies. So, tinapon ang nasa movie na Lion King, kudawan ng Kirko Kasa during the time. So, Impala, the reddish brown color, one of the smallest antelope in the world. They are the smallest antelope, but they are the fastest antelope because they can run up to 90 kilometers per hour. They call fantastic jumper of savannah because they can jump up to 3 meters high and 12 meters in length. What may ako sila ma? Ulan, ay,
Yan, kami may kaluoy nila. Uy, malagi pang tugnaw.
Itugnaw mo sila.
Wala
Ay.
liyo-liyo.
one that has big white marking on their face, so that is a gemsbok safaris gazelle. Gemsbok desert place of Africa. So their horn can reach up to 18 inches. So they are the national animal of Qatar and sila po ang logo sa Qatar Airways. So
Ah.
they can survive without drinking water in 1 year. Survive sila ba yung pinag-tubig sa usahan.
Wow.
So they are the most hunted antelope in Africa because of their horns. Some lang horn they use for sword or archery.
Yay.
Kawasan Falls.
We call it African savanna because all animals originate from Africa. Savanna means more trees and less of grass. So that's the end of African savanna. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the wild.
Kawasan Falls.
Chicken
Ah,
savannah.